Info Edge's billion-dollar roadmap, 9 key milestones you need to know. Info Edge, India's pioneering internet conglomerate, has transformed from a small startup to a multi-billion-dollar empire. This remarkable journey is filled with strategic decisions, innovative launches, and calculated risks. Let's explore the 9 crucial milestones that shape Info Edge's success story. The birth of a vision, 1995. Info Edge, India Private Limited was incorporated on 1st May 1995. This marked the beginning of Sanjeev Bikhchandani's ambitious vision to revolutionize India's digital landscape. Naukri.com, the game changer, 1997. In March 1997, Info Edge launched www.naukri.com, India's first online job portal. This innovative platform would become the cornerstone of Info Edge's success, reshaping the country's recruitment industry. Achieving profitability, 1999. By the fiscal year 1999, www.naukri.com broke even. This early profitability demonstrated the viability of Info Edge's business model and set the stage for future growth. Attracting investor interest, 2000. ICICI Information Technology Fund made a private equity investment in Info Edge. This injection of capital provided the resources needed to fuel the company's expansion plans. Going public, 2006. Info Edge made its debut on the Indian stock exchanges in 2006. This initial public offering, IPO, not only raised significant capital but also enhanced the company's credibility and visibility in the market. Diversification and expansion. Info Edge expanded its portfolio by launching and acquiring various online platforms. Shiksha.com, education. Jeevnasathi.com, matrimony. 99acres.com, real estate. This diversification strategy helped Info Edge capture a larger share of the growing Indian internet market. During 2012 to 2013, Info Edge acquired Makesense Technologies Pvt Limited. This acquisition strengthened the company's technological capabilities and market position. Increasing foreign investment, 2014 to 2015. Info Edge received approval from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to raise its foreign institutional investor (FII) investment limit. This milestone opened up new avenues for international capital and expertise. Venture Capital Initiatives, 2022. Info Edge launched 2 venture capital funds. Time's first scheme, $100 million, focusing on consumer tech companies. Time's second scheme, $100 million, targeting winners from the first fund. These initiatives position Info Edge as a key player in nurturing India's next generation of startups. Conclusion. Info Edge's journey from a small startup to a billion-dollar internet conglomerate is a testament to its visionary leadership, adaptability, and strategic decision-making. By consistently innovating and capitalizing on emerging opportunities, Info Edge has not only built a successful business but has also played a pivotal role in shaping India's digital ecosystem. As Info Edge continues to evolve and invest in new technologies and startups, it remains at the forefront of India's internet revolution. The company's story serves as an inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and a case study in building a sustainable, diversified internet business in a rapidly growing market. Thanks for watching.